What's going on YouTube? Slick Camaro back with another video. And man, look, I am excited, man. I know I told y'all about a couple sponsorships I had pending. If you've been following me on my Instagram or my YouTube channel, then you will know I've been talking about that a lot. Well, one of those sponsorships did come through, and I'm excited to be working with this company. They did send me out a couple parts, and they sent me out some stickers and banners to put on my car. But before I let y'all know who this company is, I want to make sure that I put these things on my car. So I'm going to put the stuff on my car, and I'm going to make a post tonight. After I drop the video, I'm going to make a post on Instagram about my sponsorship and who it's with. So make sure y'all tune into my Instagram. I'm going to leave it in the link below. Make sure y'all follow me so y'all can keep up with who I'm sponsored with and everything that's going on. I'm starting a series on my YouTube channel called Subtle Mods. And basically what this is about any small mods or any minor mods that I might put on my car, that I do put on my car. I'm going to make a video about it so that way y'all can keep up with the things that I put on my car. You know, any small mods, it don't matter what the case may be, but if I decide to put it on my car, I'm going to make a video about it. And basically this is part one of the series. I'm going to be installing Pro Clip USA. It's a company that makes phone mounts for your car. So if you have an iPhone, an Android, doesn't matter what phone, they make any type of phone mount for the inside of your car. So I'm going to be installing that today and making a review on it. And this again will be part one of the series, Subtle Mods. Alright, so here we have two different parts. And basically this is for one mount, and I have an iPhone 7. So these parts will help me mount my iPhone 7 onto the car. So I'm going to open it up. It comes with instructions. Now also I want to throw this out there real quick. If you do have a 6th gen Camaro, they make two different type of mounts for your car. You have the mount that goes towards the bottom right by the shift handle, or then you have the one that I'm installing, the one that goes up here. I like the one up here versus the one down here because it's in my sight of the road. You know, I don't have to look too far off the road to look at my phone mount. The one that's down here, I have to literally look down here at my phone to see it, and it's farther out of reach, and I personally don't like it that way. But yeah, more instructions in this second package. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so in this first package that they give you, you have this mount, this part of the mount. The first thing you have to do is test fit your phone on the mount. So you have these two screws, the one at the top and one at the bottom, and you unloosen these screws to open up the side arms. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Now that I have it open, I'm going to insert my phone in the mount so I can test fit it to make sure that it fits with the case that I have on my phone. One thing that you have to know about this case, there's a small gap in the back of the case. I don't know if you can get this on camera or not, but there's a small gap. There's a small gap on the case, and basically what that's for is so it doesn't scratch your case, or it doesn't mess up the back of your phone case. So when you insert this your phone on the mount, don't think that you're doing something wrong because you see a gap between the phone and the actual mount. So what you want to do is, on the mount you have these two holes right here on the side of the mount. That is where you want your phone to be. So I'm going to insert my phone, make sure that it fits on the mount, carefully take my phone out, and then I'm going to tighten the screws back down. Alright, so now I have the screws tightened down. I'm going to check one more time, and it fits. So as long as I have this case on my phone, I would never have to worry about adjusting my mount. Alright, now the next step is to take the back part of the mount off. So I'm going to, this middle hole right here, I'm going to unscrew this screw on the inside and completely take the back part of this mount off. As you can see on this back mount, there are 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 holes on this back mount. Alright? And you want to line it up with the 4 holes, the 4 outer holes on the base plate that they give you that comes in the second package. So I'm going to line it up with these 4 outer holes, and then I'm going to screw it in with these pack of screws that they give you. There's 4 screws in here that you use for this particular purpose. Alright, so as you can see, I installed the back piece from the original mount onto the back plate. So now what you want to do is take the original mount and now connect everything back together. Now I also want to note while I'm doing this, the tighter that you tighten this down, the less rotation ability that you have. Like, as you can see, I can rotate this as freely as I want to, but the tighter I tighten it down, the less it will be able to do that. So I'm going to get this as tight as I put, not as tight as I can, but pretty tight so it doesn't move on its own like that. There you go. It's barely moving right now. Alright, and also in the package, I can't remember which one, but it's one of the 2 packages that they give you. They give you this piece of plastic right here, which is called a gap opener. And basically what you use this for is to open up between the 2 dash panels. You have this softer part and then you have this harder part of the dash panel, and you want to basically open this part up. So you use this to pry it open, and you can just leave it there for right now. And on this on the mount that you have, you will see this blue adhesive right here, this tape. Now this sticky tape, you have to take that off so that way it can stick in between the 2 plastic panels. You want to open up between the 2 dash panels, and you're going to insert the mount. Again, this blue adhesive, you have to take this off so it can have something to stick to, and then insert it. As I'm doing this, keep in mind that this adhesive, this sticky tape, whatever you want to call it, will not leave any marks on your panel. So if you do decide to take it off, you don't have to worry about any damages to your panel. Alright, so you use the gap opener, and you insert the clip. Now once you have it, you take the gap opener out. You can adjust it to get it exactly where you want. It's different for everybody. So now I can show you. I can find my phone. Okay, so now I can show you. You can slide your phone right in place. There you go. So like I said, it's easy access. It's right there. Instead of me reaching way down here, it's right there for me to grab. I can touch, I can do whatever I want to my phone. It looks great, it doesn't look bad on the car. You know, it's very convenient. And again, if you're interested in this and where to get it, I'm going to leave the link in the description below on exactly where you can get this from. I'm gonna leave the specific link for the iPhone 6, 7, and 8. I'm gonna leave that in the description as well. I know most people have iPhones, so I'm gonna leave that in the link. And again, if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be dropping more content. Again, I'm starting this series called Subtle Mods. Like I said earlier, any minor mods, any small mods that I may have on a car, I'm going to share with y'all, so that way if y'all are interested, y'all can put it on your car as well. Again, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm going to be dropping some more dope content for y'all in the future.